Hi everyone, welcome to Invent Your Mind. Thank you for joining me. My name is Gayani. I'm an intellectual property and business law attorney. I help clients from all over the world who want to get trademarks, copyright, and do patent due diligence in US. And I say due diligence because I don't do patent prosecution anymore, but I am a patent attorney. And I also help clients in California mainly to set up entities in California, LLCs, benefit corporations, and also do business contracts. So business contracts with intellectual property aspect, IP licensing, all of that. So today I actually have good news I wanted to share with my channel. I've been part of this or contributing author to this project, which is a big project that was taken by about big group of people. There's 47 contributing authors, I believe. Opening and managing a law office. Go solo, win clients, and be your own boss. This is a really project, a really passion project for me that is near and dear to my heart. As you know, I went solo about a year and a half ago, and and I was so happy to be part of this and write a section for the chapter one on protecting what you created. Now, this is actually available on Amazon, and there's an ebook version too because it's kind of big. It's kind of nice to hold when you, for me, because this is something I worked on during this pandemic, and I'm so happy happy that it came out because I feel like wow, I accomplished something in the pandemic. Um, it's been a weird year, and I'm recording this in October 2020. I wanted to share this also because, as you know, I in my channel I share information for entrepreneurs, startups, and whether you're starting a law practice or service type of a company or any kind of a company, you do need to think about intellectual property. Now, I'm not going to specifics of what I wrote here because you're gonna have to buy the book for that. Uh, but the chapter I contributed to, but I would say whether you're starting the LLC, the corporation, or what a professional practice, you do need to think about the trademarks, for instance. Trademarks are very important because a lot of people are getting more and more trademarks. What it does is also normally, for instance, attorneys can name their practice under their name. The law office under their name, but because there are people who are getting trademarks, sometimes there can be issues that can cause cease and desist kind of letters to come out. So doing a trademark clearance before you name your practice or name your business is really important. And I have other videos on this channel about trademarks and business names. And other thing, for instance, you do want to think about copyrights. There's a lot of different things to think about a copyrights protections and how they affect your business and also how you protect your own original creative ideas. There are other videos on my channel about this too. And but one thing, for instance, I will just share as a teaser is when you have create a business and you have a website that you hire somebody to do the website, you want to know where does this person get their images from. Like, for instance, are they buying their stock images or are they licensing it? If they're licensing it, do you have to maintain those licenses? Or are you providing the images? The most, I think the safest ways is to create your own images and share it with your website designer to make sure they are not using stock images because there could be issues that, come from those sites. But you want to keep an eye out on those. And then also for us working with other service providers or professionals or consultants or employees, you don't want to just go with the traditional employment contract. You want to make sure that those are overlaid with also intellectual property protections. That's really important. how you define your proprietary information, what's in there that could be important for your employees or consultants to know. So when they go work with other service professionals, they are now sharing your proprietary information. So those are some of the teasers as to what you may want to think about. Of course, there's trade secrets, and then of course there could be unique algorithms or something you created for your business that can be patent eligible subject matter. So may not apply as much, but it's worth having a consultation to figure that out. So this is again for informational purposes only, but I just wanted to share the good news because I was so excited to be part of this project. I thank everybody who contributed to this and let me be part of this project because it's been very exciting to do this and write this section on how to protect what you created. So with that, if you have more questions or anything, please check out my startup series. It's have these bite-sized videos which are under 10 minutes on trademarks, copyrights, and also businesses. And if you have a specific question, feel free to reach out to me. And thank you. And until next time, bye.